Hi, this is Michael, and I'm going to show you my new workout generator, which is intended both for trainees and fitness trainers. The current version of the workout generator is an alpha version, which means that I expect you to provide me some feedback as for your user experience with the program and all problems or features that you want to add. The features that this current version offers is generating workouts manually from a large workout gallery and export it to the printer to print it on a page, or export it to an image, and from there on you can upload it to some sort of site, Facebook, or move it to your handheld device such as iPhone or Android. And this version of the workout generator is a home and park version, which means that it will only include exercises which are designed to perform at home or park environments. Okay, let's get started. To download the workout generator, all you have to do is to go to MuscleM.com. The link is now showing in the video. Prior to downloading the actual workout generator, you have to download the Adobe Air runtime. Click it and it will take you to Adobe website where you can download the Adobe Air. You have to install it and then you click and download the MIC workout generator with the .air file extension. Okay, then you'll have to install it as well. Okay, this is the opening screen of the workout generator, and it actually shows you the terms of conditions of use. It generally says that this software is free. The use of the software is at your own risk, and you generally should consult a doctor before starting to work out. Okay, then after you read all of this, you can click I agree and start. As you can see in the main screen, you have the page of your workout with the title. You can change it as much as you want. Let's title it chest and triceps. Okay, chest and triceps, and you can see you have the page. You have the tabs of the workouts. You can create new workouts right here and delete them. Let's go back to our old workout. You have the exercise count of the exercise gallery. You have the exercise gallery itself, sorted by the target muscles, the target muscle of the exercises. Let's see, this is the chest. Then you have push-ups, for instance, and parallel bar dips. Okay, here you have a subroutine. You can create a new subroutine, and when the subroutine is selected, you can actually put some exercises in it. In each exercise, you have the exercise properties, which are the sets and reps, repetitions, and the rest time between sets. For each subroutine, you have the total time it takes to perform it, and for the whole workout, you have the total time it takes to perform the whole workout. You can see that it will now, wait, it's a triceps exercise workout, and we'll put some triceps. Okay, exercises. You have the total workout time for both subroutines and the number of exercises and the number of sets and repetitions. You can switch exercise layouts, okay, to make it look different. This is the first layout is the best layout there is. You can switch layouts, and then you will see that all of the other layouts are not proportional, which means that it stretches the clips to the square containing the clip of the exercise. So you have a stretch clips button, which can make it proportional or unproportional. You can also add text fields to the subroutine. Let's say I want to title this whole subroutine as a chest. Okay, and then I can enlarge the font size to 12, and then I can drag it over here. Great, you can resize the subroutine proportionally as you like, and you can, as you can see, the subroutine will bounce back. You can't lose the subroutine. Okay, now to delete exercise, all you have to do is press the delete button, red button of the exercise. Here, to switch places, you can just drag it. And to delete the whole routine, all you have to do is drag it outside of the workout area and release it. Okay. Another feature that you have is the exercise info box here. When your mouse goes on top of each exercise, it will give you additional info about the properties of the exercise. You have priority, risk, and level. The priority is actually the mark of the exercise. How much is it recommended to perform it? The risk is a potential risk of injury while performing it, and the level is the target audience of this exercise. Okay, let's see bench dips. It's for beginners. It has low risk and it's a pretty good exercise. Good. Let's go to the gallery. You can see the attributes while going to the gallery as well. Let's see the back, pull-ups wide front. It gives you a good mark, and it's for intermediate level and with a medium risk. However, if you go to full pull-ups, it's a master level, not recommended for beginners, and it's a high risk, but it's a good exercise. Great. Another feature that you have is the repetition time. You can change the repetition time, which means the repetition time is represented in seconds. Okay. Once you change the repetition time, you notice that the whole workout time calculation is going to change. As you can see, if the repetition time is 10 seconds, the workout takes me 16 minutes. If the repetition time is going down to 4 seconds, this workout is going to take me 10 minutes, approximately, of course, without chit-chatting and staring. Another cool feature is simulate repetitions checkbox. If you click it here, while playing an exercise, it will simulate the exercise by the repetition time, which means that each repetition of this exercise should take 4 seconds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if I'll double it to 8 seconds, you'll see the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if you'll do it half a second, and you do it pretty fast, yes. And if you want to contact Guinness World Record, you just need to put your face here and and videotape this exercise and breaking the record, and I'm sure they will receive it with much happiness. Great. Okay, now notice this. I have 2 exercises over here. One is the Arnold presses, okay, and the second is the dumbbell front raises. Now, this one is an alternative exercise, which means that you'll do it for both. You'll do it with both hands alternatively. So when you type the number of repetition, I expect it to be for both hands and not for each hand, which means that if you're doing 10 repetition, I expect it to do 10 in the right one, 10 for the right arm and 10 for the left arm. Why does it matter? Because this is how I calculate the total time of the workout. If I lower it to 1 set, you'll notice that because the repetition time is 5 seconds right now, so when I add a repetition, it will double it to 10 seconds. So it goes up in 20 every time, okay? Same goes for the simulation. Okay, it will simulate 5 seconds for each arm, not for both arms together. You can save the workout to your local hard drive and then load it afterwards. Chest and triceps.workout. And you can load it now, as you can see. Great. You can export it to an image. Chest and triceps.jpg. And after exporting it to an image, you can actually put it in your mobile device, such as an iPhone or iPod or Android, as an image, and you will have the whole workout in your hand. You can print the workout by clicking color print and print. Just notice one thing, that if you play with the brightness or with the color attributes, brightness, contrast, saturation, or hue, it does not affect the printing. So if you want to print black and white, you don't press black and white and print. You have to actually go to the properties of the printer and click grayscale and then print it. But it will affect the export image feature, okay? The colors here. So if you really want to play with the brightness or something and print it, you can export it to image and then print it. Okay, contacting or reporting. Contact or report. This window is intended for you to report me of a problem or contact me and give you your feedback about the program. And now please do it. I'm looking forward for your feedback, any suggestions or features or criticism about current features or problems that you might be having. The main problem that you might be having is that when the checkbox here is not checked, okay, the exercises will be performed pretty slow and not smoothly. Please report me of this problem if it occurs at your computer. If a problem occurs, and the program will detect it, the report error dialog box will appear. It looks like this. Okay, now you can give me additional information here and click on report error, and I expect it to do it so I can detect the bugs and fix them. Now when send me feedback, please don't send me general feedback like you should really do nutrition or you should really do anatomy, because this is pretty trivial. Let's just give you an example. Mike Barney yahoo.com. Hey man, why didn't you hire one model to do the exercises for you? Okay, you can send message. Well, I hope you understood how to basically use the program, and I hope you do use it. Don't forget to send me your feedback. Enjoy and have a good workout. Bye bye.
Download the goddamn program and subscribe.